Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install DSers for AliExpress order automation step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the DSers official website. Locate the option to sign up or log in if you already have an account. Fill in the required information to create your account if you're a new user. Complete the email verification process if prompted. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Look for the option to add a store. Choose AliExpress from the list of available platforms. You will be redirected to the AliExpress authorization page. Log in to your AliExpress account using your credentials. Grant DSers the necessary permissions to access your AliExpress account by clicking the authorization button. After authorizing, you will be redirected back to the DSers dashboard. Confirm that your store has been successfully added. Next, navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you can configure your preferences for order automation. Set your shipping options according to your business needs. You may choose to synchronize product prices and inventory. After configuring settings, save the changes. Now, you can start importing products from AliExpress to DSers. To do this, search for products directly within the DSers platform. Select the products you want to import to your store. Click the Import button to add these items to your inventory. Once your products are imported, ensure that all details are correctly displayed. You are now ready to automate your order processing. When a customer makes a purchase, DSers will automatically process the order. Monitor the dashboard for any order updates and notifications. You have successfully installed and configured DSers for AliExpress order automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.